Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys aeroplane mode setting in our Realme phone. So guys in this video guys I will show you guys how can you on and guys how can you use guys your aeroplane mode setting in your Realme phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So guys you want to on guys your aeroplane mode in your phone setting guys. So guys, how can you on your aeroplane mode in your phone settings? So guys, first of all guys, we will on our phone setting. So as you can see guys, there is no any setting to on guys aeroplane mode guys. You can check friends. Well, how can you on it? So first of all guys, you can see this connection and sharing option. Guys, tap here and guys, first setting as you can see your aeroplane mode. So you can on from the right side and after guys, you can see this aeroplane icon in your phone screen. So as after that guys, you cannot use guys your mobile data. You cannot call your friends, relative, and guys they also cannot call you. So guys you can watch guys your download movies and download list songs. You can use it only guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on it. And guys you want to off, so guys you can off from here also friends. So you can off from here shortcut setting. But guys I told you guys in your phone setting guys how can you on, and guys how can you on and use. So I hope friends you understood how to on and off aeroplane mode in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.